Hello and welcome back, everyone. Let us examine this. This is Forever Garcinia.
So let's talk about Forever Garcinia IND. This little gem is all about harnessing the power of the Garcinia cambogia fruit. You know, the one that's been making waves in the health world? It's packed with hydroxycitric acid, or HCA. HCA is said to help curb cravings and boost metabolism. Imagine having a little extra support on your weight loss journey without feeling deprived. But it's not just about weight loss. Forever Garcinia IND also promotes healthy cholesterol levels and supports digestive health. Plus, it's super easy to incorporate into your routine. Just pop a couple of capsules before meals and you're good to go. And let's be real, who doesn't love a natural boost? It's like having a little cheerleader in your supplement cabinet. Just remember, it's not a magic pill. It works best when paired with a balanced diet and exercise. So, if you're looking for a little help in your wellness journey, Forever Garcinia IND might just be worth a try.